don't know how to play fight, it just ends up in a brawl. I do know right from wrong, but I gotta give him my all. How many times can I tell you? How many times must I say? Instinct rules my head, live life the natural way. Too rough, too tough, too dangerous to play with us. Stay control. Too wild to be filed and pigeonholed or not. No way, hands off, do not pursue, know when to stop. I can't be blamed, it's just a side of me that you can't tame. If they could see what you can see, then they would know that you're with me. I'm crying out to see the beast set free. No, 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 the time will tell. You hold the key, I see it right in front of me. I'm crying out to see the beast set free. No, 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 no. Get rid of the guidelines, no more rules on the pie. No, no, I do know right from wrong, but I just won't live a lie. Now how many people tell you, how many people say you should be true to yourself, live life the natural way. Too quick, too fast, they see you pacing past and they blatant, straight up, no two ways about it. They come on, bring it on, don't mess around, confront them, they won't do it. Too raw, too real, too uncontrollable, make the people go.